step-by-step tips to help you achieve affiliate marketing success. Affiliate marketing is the art of managing the complex web that links advertisers, marketers, and vendors together online. A website owner who invests time in learning the ins and outs of the process can realize surprising profits from an intelligently managed affiliate marketing program. Below are some tips that may help any webmaster improve his or her performance. To check on the quality of the company you are considering working for, you should pretend to be a customer and try their phone order system. If you have a bad experience, chances are the customers you refer to them will have the same impression and end up not buying anything. Study and borrow ideas from other affiliate marketers in your niche. Visit your competitor's website, subscribe to their newsletter, and visit their blog. Take time to analyze how they are successfully managing to get sales. Once you have studied their techniques, try emulate them using your own affiliate links and watch your sales increase. Most importantly, your website content must be up to par. Your website will never get quality traffic if you are not targeting the consumer with information that is relevant and informative. An affiliate program will never work if you do not get good traffic directed through your site at a constant pace. As an affiliate marketer, only recommend products you trust to people. The first thing you should do when marketing any product is to at least read up on it and find out the true information, if not, test the product out for yourself. If it is a garbage product that you're promoting, your name could be ruined before you get off the ground. With the proper email tracking software, an affiliate can tell if his or her mail has been opened by the recipient. If it hasn't, you have two good options here. You can simply resend the mail again and hope they open it, or you can change the subject line to a more attention-grabbing title. When promoting a product as part of an affiliate marketing program, you will see the most benefit out of showing your readers how the product specifically benefits them. Just because something is a good product doesn't mean your readers care about it. You need to give specific examples as to why this particular product is something they need in order to get them to buy. While the array of options and programs available for affiliate marketing can seem bewildering, the best strategy for any website owner is one that he or she understands thoroughly. Tips like the ones shared here can help increase a webmaster's overall affiliate marketing savvy and guide him or her through planning the most effective overall strategy. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.